In this video, I'm going to be breaking down why you should never box yourself into a cadence 100%. First, let me quickly explain the scenario that all of us rappers find ourselves in, including all of your favorite rappers. So you have this really cool cadence pattern that you like, but you cannot come up with a combination of syllables that match that cadence 100% that also supports the message in your song. And you may not realize it, but all of your favorite rappers go through the same issue as well, but you don't realize it because you only hear the final glorified state of that song. You didn't hear all the problems that they had to work through and fix during the creative process of that song. Every single syllable that you rap is a rhythmic music note. So when you limit yourself to a cadence 100%, you're basically telling yourself, I can only use X amount of syllables to express this thing that I'm trying to say. And that's what's very limiting about boxing yourself into using a cadence 100%. Sometimes this works. A lot of times it doesn't. So what should you do? You should free yourself from the box that you've confined yourself to. And the way that you do this is by simply improvising, changing the cadences that you're working with in subtle ways. And this will provide so many more possibilities of what lyrics that you can now use to match those new different varying types of cadences. And this is why your favorite rappers do not rap the same exact cadence for every bar of their cadence scheme. Even though you may think they are, they're not a lot of the times. Let me explain. You can change things about your cadence and it can still feel like the same cadence. And this is due to something that I like to call anchor points. Anchor points are small sections of your bars where your patterns that you've created do not change, which makes them feel the same. And these anchor points are typically around the second half of your bar. So that's beats 3 and 4, because that's typically where your end rhyme is. Now, enough of the theoretical talk. Let's put this into action and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a cadence pattern and then I'm gonna change it in 5 different ways while still maintaining the same feel of the original cadence. And I'm gonna be using an instrumental that I produced called Midnight Drive. If you like this instrumental, I'll post a link in the video's description below to where you can get it. Now let's check it out. Okay, our starter cadence is simple. I'm just filling in the bar with 16th notes all the way up until the 4th beat. Let's check it out. Put the T by the top of the pop. Okay, now let's change it. On cadence 2, I merged 3 16th notes into one long note on beat 2, and I kept everything else the same. Let's check it out. Tap it to the T and top of the pop. On cadence 3, I took a short 16th note pause on the second beat and kept everything else the same. Tap it top of the pop. On cadence 4, I paused for the entire first beat and kept everything else the same. Tap it and pop it top of the pop. On cadence 5, I paused for the first half of the first beat and fill the second half of the first beat in with 2 16th notes. Then I filled the first half of beat 2 in with an 8th note and I kept everything else the same. Put a pap at top of the pop. And on cadence 6, I paused for 3/4 of the first beat and filled in the last quarter of the first beat with 2 32nd notes and I kept everything else the same. Put the pap at the top of the pop. Now let's listen to them all back to back and pay attention to how creating those anchor points on beats 3 and 4 is allowing all my cadences to feel the same, even though technically they're all different. Put the T by the top of the pop. Tap it to the T and top of the pop. Put a top of the pop. Tap it and pop a top of the pop. Put a pap a top of the pop. Put the pap at the top of the pop. So the next time that you're stuck trying to get your lyrics to match your cadence perfectly, change the cadence in different ways while maintaining those anchor points, and this is likely going to fix your issue. And I'm curious to know, have you ever experienced this same issue before, and have you ever used this technique to fix it? Let me know in the comment section below. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below, and subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, There's no rules. There's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.